Hi everybody! I'm going to review the almond cow. I've had this machine for a long time. It basically makes your own milks. Instead of buying milk from the store, you can make your own concoctions, which is a little bit better because it doesn't have preservatives in it. Doesn't have like gums to make the milk thicker. It's quite funny because I use the same gums that they put in almond milk and I use it in hair care products. It is natural, but it's just funny that we use it in food too. There's so many different recipes that the company provides you with, and at first when I used it, I was making milks that were not, they were kind of watered down, so then I learned what to do. Alright, so for this recipe, what I have here is I filled this up with water, and in here I'm going to put the nuts. Macadamia nuts, and then I'm going to put cinnamon, in the water. Fill this up to the line with water, and in here I'm going to put vanilla extract, and then I'm going to put maple syrup, and then I'm going to take this part right here and I'm just going to dig it in so that it fits, and then I'm going to close it to the left, just like that. Excuse my dog over there, she's making snoring noises. And then I'm just going to attach it in here like that. As soon as the light turns green, I'm going to press it, and it mixes it all up for you. Alright, it is solid green, and now what I'm going to do is just pick it up, and here is my milk. I have to show you guys this. And then I'm going to pour it in a glass. And there you go. There's your milk. So I really love this machine because you are able to make your own milk, and you have so many different recipes and stuff. At first when I got it, as you guys know, I said that it was a little bit watery, but they actually give you a lot of recommendations on how to make your milk thicker. You just don't use as much water, and then you can use more nuts and things like that, but I definitely think it's worth it. I'm going to come out with more recipes and show you guys as the months go. Mwah.